How to use coupons on Shein app. Using coupons on the Shein app is simple and a great way to save money on your purchases. Here is a step-by-step guide to using Shein coupons code in 2024. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Shein app on your smartphone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and ensure you are logged into your Shein account because coupons are applied to only specific accounts. Once you do so, once you're inside the Shein account, browse through the Shein catalog. Search for the items you want and simply add them to the cart by tapping Add to the Cart option available there. Once you are done browsing and adding to the cart, then simply tap on the cart option available in the bottom to proceed to the checkout. Now simply tap on the checkout option available in the bottom right corner of your screen and review your selected items. Now scroll down to the section labeled coupons or promo code. Now tap on the apply coupon option available there. Inside there, simply enter the code and tap on the apply option next to it. Check your order summary to ensure the coupon has been applied successfully. The discount will be deducted from the total amount. Then simply select your payment method and confirm your delivery address and complete your order. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.